so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to roast peanuts in a traditional method. Very easy and an instant method, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a mud pot, and to this add quarter cup of salt. You can go with any variety of salt, be it refined salt, sea salt, Himalayan pink salt, or any salt you use at home. To this add 200 grams of raw peanuts. Start to roast in medium flame. Continue to roast for 5 minutes until the peanuts start to pop. Peanuts are very healthy source of protein and helpful nutrients such as antioxidants, iron, magnesium and fiber. The fat in peanuts are heart healthy fat and helps to lower bad cholesterol levels in the body. Peanuts improve digestion and thus helps in weight loss. It's been 5 minutes and the peanuts are starting to pop. Continue to mix until the peanuts are done popping. When it's done, you can separate and remove the peanuts from the salt with the help of this type of spatula. Likewise, remove all the peanuts. You can clean, store and reuse the salt for roasting peanuts in future. By this method, you get the traditional and authentic flavor of the roasted peanuts. Our delicious and healthy roasted peanuts are ready. Store it in an 8-8 container and you can use for 3 months time. Very easy and an instant method, so do try this peanut roasting at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.